Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of opening a new bank account? It can be a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the process. But fear not. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of opening a Commonwealth bank account, making it a breeze even for the most tech-savvy among us. Commonwealth Bank is one of Australia's leading financial institutions, offering a wide range of banking products and services. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a business owner, there's a Commonwealth bank account to suit your needs. Step-by-step guide. Online application. Visit the Commonwealth Bank website. The easiest way to open a new account is online. Go to the Commonwealth Bank website and navigate to the Open an Account section. Choose your account type. Commonwealth Bank offers various account types, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and business accounts. Select the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Fill out the application form. The application form will ask for your personal details, income information, and contact preferences. Be sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays in the process. Upload required documents. You may need to upload copies of your identification documents, such as your passport or driver's license, as well as proof of address. Review and submit. Double-check all the information you've entered and submit your application. Identity verification. Video call or in-person verification. Once you submit your application, you'll be prompted to undergo identity verification. This can be done through a video call with a Commonwealth Bank representative or by visiting a branch in person. Prepare your documents. Have your identification documents ready for inspection during the verification process. Answer security questions. You may be asked to answer a few security questions to confirm your identity. Account activation. Wait for confirmation. After successful verification, you will receive a confirmation email or SMS notifying you that your account has been activated. Access your online banking. Once your account is activated, you can log into your online banking portal to manage your finances. Card activation. Receive your debit card. Commonwealth Bank will send your debit card to your registered address. Activate your card. Follow the instructions provided with your card to activate it. This may involve calling a customer service number or using the Commonwealth Bank app. Additional tips. Consider online banking. Commonwealth Bank offers a robust online banking platform that allows you to manage your account, pay bills, and transfer funds from the comfort of your home. Explore Commonwealth Bank's mobile app. The Commonwealth Bank app provides convenient access to your account information, allows you to make payments, and offers other useful features. Set up automatic payments. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees and ensure timely payments. Review your account statements regularly. Keep track of your transactions and monitor your account balance to ensure there are no unauthorized activities. Opening a Commonwealth Bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed entirely online. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of a reliable and convenient banking solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to visit a Commonwealth Bank branch or contact their customer service.